ค่ะ Daughter, I want to buy an ultrasonic cavitation machine. What do I need to know in advance? Before buying an ultrasonic cavitation machine, make a list of our needs, which can solve those problems and things to look out for. First, price. Within what range our budget? Then, features. Each cavitation machine has different functions, such as skin tightening, body sculpting. If we want more functions, the price will be more expensive. We need to understand the needs of cavitation machines. Weight. We have a plan for family trips every year. Then, portability, lightness, size are all things we need to take into account. The most important thing is safety. Ensure that the ultrasonic cavitation machine has automatic shutdown and thermal regulation functions so as to ensure product safety in an emergency. After-sale service such as warranty, whether the official allows us to get free replacement part, require a brand new machine guarantee when there is a problem with the cavitation machine.